So this is our Systonic Auto Digital pH meter, model number S901. This is very precise instrument for pH and millivolts, which is displayed on 3.5 digit LED display. The feature of this instrument is high stability and accuracy, slope control, and 3.5 digit LED display. So this is the dust cover which comes in the standard accessories along with this instrument. Buffer solution of 4 pH bottles and capsules with this as an standard accessories. 1 pH electrode, pH stand. So this is instruction manual in which all the details how to work, what precaution you will take will be written precisely in this manual. One warranty card along with this accessories is also included with this model S901. So this is our digital pH meter, other models also like S0902, and with this specifications. Also we have microprocessor pH MV temperature meter model S096 with these specifications. So now comes to the working of this auto digital pH meter S901. As you can see, there is, so at the back side this electrode is attached with this knob. The temperature knob is there and on off key. Front panel where you can see 4 pH key, 7 pH key, mode key which is standby pH and millivolt. So first of all, switch on the instrument and set the temperature knob according to the solution. So first of all, press the 4 and mode both the keys simultaneously and switch on the instrument. That LED will display 1 2 3 4 for resetting the instrument. So dip the electrode in 7 pH first and then press the mode key on pH. Wait for pH adjustment. So once the pH is near to 7, just press 7 key. Wash the electrode with distilled water before inserting in pH 4 buffer, pH 4 solution. So wait for pH adjustment. Once the pH is near to this 4, press 4 pH key. So you can check the pH buffer here. On millivolt, you can check the 4 pH millivolt value on LED. Wash the electrode before. Now put the electrode in pH 7 buffer solution to check the millivolt. Thank you.